am Grishma Ambani, Recruitment Manager for Mount St. Vincent University. Today we are live on Facebook page of Oscans Overseas Private Limited, and they are our authorized partner. So the motive of today's session is to give all of you more information about Mount St. Vincent University, and we will be talking in bit detail about the university, the programs, the academic requirements, and yes, of course, we are also going to take the queries and questions that you guys have for Mount St. Vincent University. So if you guys have any queries, you can definitely write it in the comment section, and we will just wait for a few moments to our viewers to join in, and we shall start the session then. Thanks. So yeah, let's begin with the session. So yes, talking about Mount St. Vincent University, we were established in 1873. So we are good 148 years old, public funded university located in beautiful city of Halifax, Nova Scotia, which is in Atlantic province for sure. Talking about Mount St. Vincent University more, we are spread across a good 40 acres lush green campus where we have good 4,400 students studying in our university from different 77 countries. And talking more about the culture of the university, when student will arrive in our university, they will actually get an international exposure for sure. Now talking more about Halifax as a location, because location is something that I personally believe student is more inclined towards. They want to know that how about the job opportunities over there, how about the weather, how about the connectivity and the future opportunities for them. So talking about Halifax is a pretty big size city having 4,50,000 of population. So yes, it's a pretty big size city, and it's a business hub because of its second largest port of Canada. The 150 European countries who are doing businesses with Canada are coming first to Halifax. So that is the reason why all the part of basically Canada, people are coming and settling down their small businesses or franchises in Halifax just to reduce their expenses and taxes. So that's how the Halifax becomes a business hub, where Halifax city itself has 2,000 plus companies available. So in terms of part-time and full-time jobs, you can just predict the ample of opportunities which are lying in the city. And also it's the fastest growing city of Canada nowadays, so you can say it's a future of Canada for the international students. Moreover, as it's a beautiful city on the coastal area, it is in the seashore, so it has got lot of tourist attraction places. And yes, moreover, Halifax is also the top tourist destination for the visitors visiting Canada. So it has got lot of restaurants, motels, bars, a pretty good hustle bustle city it is. So basically, when students are studying in our university, staying in Halifax, they will actually enjoy their life, and they have lot of things to explore in Halifax as a city with their beauty and all. So now talking about what kind of programs we have to offer to our students. So we have range of undergrad degree in the field of art, science and professional studies, and also we have diploma. So in diploma, we have two diplomas. One is diploma in business administration, and another one is diploma in tourism and hospitality management. So these are the two diplomas that we have in our university, which are very famous. And then we have range of undergrad degree in the arts. So good 14 majors in arts, where arts and humanities students can go for. Then we have bachelors of sciences, we have professional studies where we do get the maximum applications. So yes, we have wonderful programs to offer to our students in undergrad degree. And now talking about the requirements, like what kind of students we are taking up, like what is the requirements. So we need minimum of 60% in 12th grade with no less than 50 marks in the core subjects, and IELTS should be minimum of 6.5 bands with no less than 6. So that's our actual entry requirement criteria for all the undergrad program. And most importantly, all our undergrad program that we have in our university are giving an experiential learning. So basically all the program have some work component involved in terms of co-op, in terms of internships, or maybe in terms of practicum. But every undergrad program that we have in our university have some work component involved during their study itself. So basically while studying their 4 years of undergrad degree or 2 years of diploma, student will have good on-hand work experience into their real industry. So basically you can say that we are making students ready for their future career. So that's about our undergrad degree, and yes, we are pretty affordable in terms of fee structure as well. We also have some graduate programs that we say master's program in our university, which are amazing, like communication, public relations, a Masters of Education, Applied Human Nutrition, Family Studies and Gerontology. So any of you want to apply to any of the course or interested in any of our undergrad or master's course, you can go to our website, that is www.msvu.ca, and check with the program details and the course content, so that you'll be more clear about applying to MSVU. Now talking more about the program, the university campus. We are just 7 minutes outside of downtown Halifax. So when I say 7 minutes, it's just 7 minutes from the public transport. So basically student will not be spending more of their time in commutation, but they can effectively use their time in studies and doing part-time jobs. We also have an amazing international student support center where we have an amazing academic advisors. So academic advisors are basically a go-to person for all the international student who holds an admission with us, because once student get the admission, there are a lot of formalities that student needs to do in terms of class registration, library registration, and lot of formalities are involved. So academic advisors will be the go-to person for them when they have any queries further after getting an admissions, and they are very helpful in all the way possible. We also have a career pathway assistance center under our international student support center. So as name says, career pathway assistance, what does they do? So basically they keep on organizing the seminars, workshops, which of the different fields that are helpful for the students career basically, and some of them are really free. And also they help students to know how to write their resume, how to prepare for the interviews. So these are the things which are very much important for international students to know. And also they keep on updating students about the job opportunities which are lying in and out in the region. So that's also very helpful for them. They just can check in and just go for the walk-in interview to get the jobs for sure. Now yes, talking about the weather that I have missed upon. So when I talk about the weather of Halifax, weather of Halifax is pretty favorable, because the maximum temperature which drops down in the peak winters, you can say, that is of mid of January to mid of March, is -10 to -12 degrees Celsius only. So if you can just compare it with the majority of the places, it's pretty favorable for the international students in terms of weather. And we are pretty connected as well, because the Toronto and New York are just 2 hours flight distance from Halifax, and Halifax itself has a good Stanfield International Airport, which takes just 25 minutes drive from our campus. Also, we have an amazing sports team in our university. We have gym available for all of our students, and also we have an amazing on-campus accommodation. So for our first year students, we have good 12-story building where they will have their own private room with one attached bathroom, one bed, wardrobe, and study table. So they can maintain their privacy well, and there are a lot of rooms for them to just go and connect with the fellow students who are staying on campus. So connectivity and interconnection is also something that they can make very well when living on campus. So talking about the fees that they will be paying for the on-campus accommodation is maximum $9,000 to $10,000 for one academic year, inclusive of all 7 days, 3-time unlimited meal plan. And also they don't need to think about their safety and security because we have 24/7 security available on campus. We also a very global community because we have 3,000 plus global alumni, and yes, we have an amazing research transfer research opportunities from different 16 countries, for which students need to work very hard for, that is for sure. But yes, even if you are studying in Canada in Mount St. Vincent University, student might get an opportunity to work or study in different country as well. That helps to build a very good resume, because that is going to give a very good exposure, international exposure basically, which definitely leads to highly paid salaries for all of you. And yes, when I talk about the graduate employability ratio of MSVU, it's 95.1%. And yes, talking about the most important benefit of studying in MSVU, which is as one of the Atlantic Province University, after completion of their studies, student can get an benefit of Atlantic Immigration Pilot Program. So that's something which is also, you can say, the USPs of MSVU and its location. Now we also have wonderful scholarships to offer to our kids. So the entry level scholarship that we are offering, the deadline are unfortunately closed, but any prospective students who are looking forward for it, there is no reason for them to get upset, because we have a wonderful internal scholarship that they can apply for in the second year definitely. So in second year there are a lot of different scholarship like leadership award, different in-course scholarship, need-based bursaries that they can apply for, and our students are getting it as well. And the good opportunity for all of our students is, in the normal times we do have good 300 to 400 part-time jobs available on campus. Now talking about the tuition fees, as I have already told you that we are pretty affordable. We have the lowest tuition fees in the Nova Scotia region. So with us, the maximum that student will be bearing, it's just $16,750 for one academic year. That's for UG. Now for masters, the whole master's program student can complete with us in just cost of $24,000. So that's even pretty affordable. We also have something which is amazing in our university that we call a sibling discount. So sibling discount specifically are given to only bachelor's entering students. So in case of twins or any of the sibling who is already studying in our bachelor's degree and another one want to join in, the second sibling who is entering to our bachelor's degree will get the benefit of discount of $4,000 for 1 year of tuition fees, and that is continuing till the first student is enrolled with us. So that's pretty affordable for the pocket of parents basically, where they want to send two of their kids together for study in Canada. Also, our application fees is also pretty less. We are just charging $40 for all UG program and $50 for the master's program, that is a graduate program. So yes, that's all about the programs and the academic requirements and the benefits of studying in Mount St. Vincent University. Now I also want to tell all of our students that the times are tough, definitely due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The times are tough, but this is the right time. You can research more about the programs, course content, and choose the right university for you and your future career. And also the students who are scared of taking online classes, trust me guys, with us it's very simple, because Mount St. Vincent University is experienced into offering online classes from past 40 years. So yes, we have an amazing teaching collaborative Blackboard collaborative teaching techniques. We have an amazing interactive softwares where the faculty is well experienced how to teach students online in a efficient way. And yes, the students who have started online classes, we also have getting amazing feedback from their end that they are happy taking online classes. The reason I'm telling you to start online classes is we never know when the pandemic is going to over, but learning process is the process that we cannot keep on hold. So yes, if you are a student who already holds an offer letter, do start taking online classes. There is no harm in it. And yes, the most important part, we have started accepting applications for January 22, and also we are taking conditional applications for all UG program. So if you are a student who wanted to apply to us, you can start putting your applications through Oscans Overseas. They are our authorized partner and they can help you out with throughout application process and the visa process as well. And also you want to know more about the university in detail or the program in detail, you can visit our website, that is www.msvu.ca, to get more information. And yes, by the time, stay safe, take care, and definitely you have to take care of your loved ones and stay calm. Thank you so much.